this series, do you really think कि opposite attract? Because classical and pop music, right? It's a fusion. It's fusion. But do you really think it was such है?
बिल्कुल.
What do you think, Shreya?
Yeah. I mean, like he said, Bandish Bandits देखने के बाद तो मतलब confirmation है कि opposites attract. But in general also scientifically भी लोग बोलते हैं कि opposites attract. So I really believe in it.
ये वीडियो जो भी देखने वाला है, please I request you go to Amazon Prime YouTube page, Instagram page and write #BBS2W. Bandish Bandits season 2 end.
ये मूवी अब बैंड के ऊपर है, तो आप दोनों का फेवरेट बैंड कौन सा है?
Euphoria.
Which one?
मारे याद गया. Euphoria.
Love that. Oh my god.
I love Euphoria.
Let me congratulate you for the success of Bandish.
Thank you
How
so much.
was the journey?
Very good. I mean, it was a dream come true. I mean, that's for lack of a better way of explaining it. You know, it genuinely is a dream come true because not only are we a part of a show of the scale of Bandish Bandits in Amazon Prime Video, we are also being loved, and the show is being loved. It's being really embraced with a lot of warmth and a lot of kindness from the audience. So the journey has been fantastic. And from the day we started to the day, I mean, today when we are sitting in front of you and giving this interview to you, I mean, it's been a fantastic journey.
Shreya, you?
That's exactly what I think we both hoped for. We never expected it to be loved so much by the people, and it's just so overwhelming to, get messages and, just so much love from everybody that we've just been smiling like since the day we released to today. I think there's just like a huge smile on our faces.
So आप लोगों ने अपने अपने रोल के लिए इंस्पिरेशन कहाँ से ली? बिकॉज जब हम कोई रोल करते हैं वी जस्ट थिंक कि हमें उस तरह से रोल करना होगा, तो ऐसा कोई दिमाग में था या कुछ आपने देखा था?
तमन्ना इज ऋत्विक.
ये genuinely हमने जब पहली बार स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी ना, तो the two of us actually the only thing we told each other was, yeah, you're Radhe and I'm Tamanna in real life, and here we are. Yeah, exactly. So we are very similar to the characters the other person is playing in real life. But then again, for me, I just had to keep observing Shreya to find a lot of qualities about Radhe, and she just had to
tell them about the singing bits. Sanjay will be like, अच्छा इसको classical music आता है, इसने ऋत्विक को train किया है.
So do you guys
no,
know,
but honestly, yeah.
So do you guys know a little bit of classical music, or you were totally clueless?
What should I say? Should I be?
We had basic information.
Because this movie involves so much of classic music, right? So कहाँ तक आपको, क्योंकि जनरली हम इतना क्लासिक सुनते नहीं है म्यूजिक, राइट? बट एक पूरी फिल्म उस पे बेस होना और उस पे काम करना, वो कैसा रहा आपके लिए? मतलब कितनी रिहर्सल हुई आपकी? कैसा लगा आपको कि आप कर पाएंगे रोल? क्योंकि इसमें कितना गाना गाया है आपने, मतलब मैंने मूवी जब देखी है तो शुरू से लेकर आखिर तक आप रियाज ही करते जा रहे हैं. एंड प्लस वो आपका जो सीन है जिसमें आप वो 21 घंटे तक, राइट, आप वो रियाज करते हैं. सो वो टफ, वो सीन कैसा रहा आपके लिए? Was it tough or?
मैं honestly मैं इतना जरूर कहना चाहूंगा कि आपको I definitely haven't turned into a singer. Neither have I really explored the entire world of classical music yet. Did we put in a lot of work? Yes. But आप जितना भी उसमें काम डाल ले, जितना भी आप वर्कशॉप कर ले, जितना भी आप डूबना चाहे इस दुनिया में क्लासिकल म्यूजिक की, वो फिर भी कम ही पड़ेगी. क्योंकि today I can very proudly say that I most definitely know how to appreciate classical music better. मैं definitely गाने को अच्छी तरीके से सुन पाता हूँ, उसे समझ पाता हूँ, बट क्या मैं गा पाऊंगा, क्या मैं कुछ कंपोज कर पाऊंगा, उसके लिए शायद मुझे और 10-20 साल लग जाए, तो बहुत पढ़ाई करनी पड़ेगी उसके लिए. बट yes, we did a lot of preparation. We for the first 2-3 months before the shoot started, we had a music coach, singing coach called Akshat Parekh, जो हमें, he's a classical singer himself, he's from Pandit Jasraji's Gharana, and he took us through the entire thing. He's the one who really shaped the singing bits of Radhe, because he taught me not only the culture of the thing, he taught me the little intricate details about why a gesture would be a certain way in a certain rag or in a certain swar. What a bandish is, those detailing that would actually transform the Radhe, the character, into Radhe the singer, to actually show that this boy has been learning from past 2 decades. Akshat really has to take the entire credit. I do not deserve any bit of it. And but just in case if you think that I look like I'm singing or I look like I've been doing this for a while, it is all because of Anand and Akshat. The way they have shaped the entire character, you know. And Tamanna herself also had a lot of training to do here.
Yeah, in fact, if you see the equation between Panditji and Radhe, that was almost like everybody's equation with Akshat. Akshat trained every cast member in the show for even if they had a 10-second singing bit. And I think it really makes a difference when you have a good teacher who not only teaches you, but also takes that extra effort of kind of, you know, introducing you to that world. कि जितना बस मुझे आपको गाना सिखाना है, बस उतना नहीं था उनका काम. उन्होंने बैठ के हमें बंदिश के बारे में मतलब समझाया. मुझे ये आज पता है कि क्लासिकल सिंगर्स व्हाई डू दे सिंग विदाउट शूज. वो रीजन क्या है उसके पीछे. बस ये नहीं बोला कि अच्छा क्लासिकल सिंगर्स डोंट सिंग विद देयर शूज ऑन. पर क्यों ये सारी बातें मतलब kind of there was an understanding which he kind of gave to all of us which really helped. क्योंकि वो उससे आपकी समझ भी बढ़ जाती है और appreciation भी बढ़ जाती है एक art form के लिए. So that way it was very exciting to you know go for class. कभी भी ऐसे नहीं लगा कि ये क्या boring है. कुछ नहीं, वैसे कुछ नहीं था. And that I think was the beginning for us also to fall in love with this art form. And I think especially because मेरे ज़्यादा classical bits नहीं है, पर इन सबके जो है classical bits, उनको इतना मजा आया है वो गा के, या मुझे इतना मजा आया मेरा कॉन्सर्ट गाना गा के, या जो भी अलग गाने हैं तमन्ना के, इतना हमको मजा आया वो गाने में कि I think that people are enjoying it also because you know we are also enjoying it as much.
That's true.
So we've been very lucky कि हमें सिर्फ अक्षर जैसे टीचर ने, आनंद जैसे डायरेक्टर जिन्होंने हमको मतलब एवरी स्टेप पे बताया, but even Shankar Ehsaan Loy का जो great music, like they're maestros of you know their job, तो उनका गाना मिला और वो मौका मिला, so we really had a blast. Like जितना I feel very happy when people send me videos of them driving to work और हमारा वो गाना सुन रहे हैं, क्योंकि मतलब you know that's what we hope for, so it's great that that's happening.
I guess आपका वो बड़ा अच्छा था जिसमें आप स्टेज सॉन्ग भी कर रही हैं, राइट? आप स्टूडियो में भी गाना बना रही हैं, तो आप में काफी शेड्स थे, मतलब आपने काफी कुछ किया. बट इन टर्म्स ऑफ राधे, उनका मेजरली वही रहा कि वो बस आलाप गजल सिंगिंग बस. सो कहीं पर लगा कि यार बॉलीवुड सॉन्ग्स होते तो मजा आता कि मतलब बाहर शूट करते, यू नो जैसे होता है बॉलीवुड फिल्म्स में होता है, यहाँ पर एक ही जगह पर बैठना और रियाज करना पूरी फिल्म के अंदर ऑल थ्रू, वो भी नसरुद्दीन शाह के साथ, मतलब आई गेस इट्स अ ऑनर. एक्सपीरियंस आपको पता लगा कि नसरुद्दीन शाह के साथ आपको काम करना है, अतुल जी हैं,
वो तो मेरे क्या ही कहूँ, उसको एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए ना मेरे वोकैबुलरी में वर्ड नहीं है कि वो एक्सपीरियंस था ही कैसे. वो आज तक मैं सिर्फ महसूस कर सकता हूँ, उसको किसी को समझा नहीं पाऊंगा कि वो मेरे साथ क्या ही हुआ है. बट वेरी ऑनेस्टली आपने जो पहले सवाल पूछा उसके हिसाब से तो मैं तो हमेशा से आई हैव ऑलवेज ग्रोन अप वांटिंग टू लिप सिंग ऑन अ शंकर एहसान लॉय सॉन्ग, यू नो, ऑन द स्ट्रीट्स ऑफ न्यूयॉर्क, ऐसे बाहर फैला के गाओ. But I mean, look at how it all turns out, you know, because I'm doing a debut on my first ever last show on a digital platform, and Shankar Ehsaan Loy is giving the music, and I'm playing a singer. I've always wanted to play a singer. You know, we've seen so many artists play singers, and it's so enticing to play a singer. And not only am I a singer, I'm a classical musician. तो मेरे लिए तो ये सोने पे सुहागा था कि it's not only a dream come true, it's a dream come true with more to it, you know. There was so much more to it.
This is the myth that we wanted to break, which I think Ritvik has done so beautifully. That ये नहीं कि अच्छा मैं हीरो हूँ तो मैं बस मॉडर्न गाने या एक टाइप के गाने गा सकता हूँ जो टिपिकल, जैसे आपने कहा, या बॉलीवुड सॉन्ग्स. आई फील लाइक इवन क्लासिकल म्यूजिक इज सच अ बिग पार्ट ऑफ आवर कल्चर, ऑफ आवर सिनेमा, इन ऑल हिंदी, any form of regional cinema as well. कि it should be, you know, as mainstream as any other song. So I think even what Radhe's character जो जिन्होंने देखी है show, and if जिन्होंने नहीं, please जाके देखिए. But they'll all agree that he is like any Bollywood hero तो नहीं. I think that word has become redundant today. But like you know, any protagonist of you know, a film or a series or whatever. So I don't think the classic,
very charming character.
Yeah, and I think the art form just added to it, and the fact that everyone's enjoyed it so much, I think it will maybe find its ways, or at least we hope that it finds its way into more mainstream work in the future.
Absolutely, and it was Anand sir's vision, that he at no point, if somebody watches this show, should feel like यार यार classical music बज रहा है तो सब ऐसे आराम से
Forward
बैठ
करे
जाओ,
ये वो,
या
yeah,
सीधे बैठ
exactly.
जाओ.
Nobody's done that.
He
Exactly.
said, I don't want to treat this music like it's only out of reverence. He said, I want people to listen to it and feel love and feel passion, like if you listen to a dance number, if you listen to a jazz number. He said, I want to make classical music as sexy as jazz. I think that's a t-shirt quote. That's a brilliant quote. And hopefully that's exactly what's resonating with the youth today also when they're watching the show and they're listening to that song back to back. I feel like, I guess the vision is somewhat really, really passing on to the people who are watching it. So really, kudos to Anand sir for that.
तो इन सारी चीजों के लिए there was just basic classes with Akshat, singing classes, ताकि हम लोग ये हमारी दुनिया थी. So we had to look like we belong there. We couldn't look like ऐसे हमको मतलब निकाल के बिठा दिया वहाँ पे स्टूडियो में. So just interactions with our musical supervisor who would tell me about the technology that being used today. Recording में जो panel होता है वो buttons, just kind of explaining what is what button, recording button कहाँ पे है, आप कैसे इशारे देते हैं अपने सिंगर को जब भी वो रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं inside the booth. Basic acoustic talk, not that I've done any diploma in singing because of Bandish Pandits, पर वो बात करते करते वो एक समझ आ जाती है, slight understanding, just conversations with Anand and Amrit on a daily basis. वो हमको एक गाना भेज देते थे कि ये सुन लो, and then we discuss it. So all of these things really helped. At no point did Anand and Amrit actually, जो हमारी स्क्रिप्ट थी ना उसमें बहुत क्लियरली लिखा था कि जैसे जो डायलॉग्स दिए गए हैं वो तो है ही, पर एक डिस्क्रिप्शन, लारा एक इज वन ऑफ द राइटर्स, तो जो स्क्रीन प्ले में है वो बहुत अच्छी डिस्क्रिप्शन होती थी कि दिस इज तमन्ना स्टेट ऑफ माइंड, और फिर डायलॉग्स लिखे गए थे. सो फॉर मी इट वाज एवरीथिंग वाज देयर इन द स्क्रिप्ट. Just I had to just breathe oxygen into this character basically. तो एक they never let me take like अच्छा इनको एक reference point बनाते हुए move ahead. They were like make तमन्ना own, क्योंकि हर एक जो एटलीस्ट पॉप स्टार पॉप सिंगर होता है वो किसी एक वजह से यूनिक होती है या होता है. आप किसी भी पॉप स्टार को उठा लीजिए, it's either because of their amazing singing or the way they probably dress up or the way they perform on stage. तो he was just like find your own uniqueness for तमन्ना, ताकि जब भी कोई देखे उनको ये ना लगे कि यार ये तो मुझे उसकी याद दिला रही है, या ये तो देखी हुई है, या ये तो मिमिक कर रही है. So we didn't want any of that. But yeah, constantly हमको बस इस musical world में एक kind of welcome किया उन लोगों ने, and just told us to like get absorbed in that world. So I think that was a lot of the I would call it referencing that we had for the prep.
Very similar for me also. Honestly, I started reading a lot of books about lives of classical musicians and about classical music. और फिर मैं videos देखने लग गया thanks to internet. आज हमें सब कुछ available है free. तो मैंने पंडित भीमसेन जोशी से लेके जावेद बशीर साहब से लेके मोहम्मद अमान, who's also sung for me in the show.
Yes.
I started watching all their videos. But through this entire thing, while I was trying to do my research, is exactly what Shreya said is what I realized. Ki all of them are good at what they do because they're so unique. And at the end of the day, I wasn't a part of a biopic. I wasn't playing a Radhe who's already there in the world. This is a fictional character. This is a new guy that's going to be represented. So I realized that to make Radhe interesting, I have to find a classical singer in me. I cannot be like Pandit Ji. I cannot be like Javed Saab. I cannot be like Mohammad Aman. I'll have to find a certain groove for myself. And that, I guess, is something that works. But research तो काफी किया. But research से फिर यही समझ में आया कि बहुत कॉपी किसी को ना करना, क्योंकि none of them have similar styles. They are all unique and so different in their own way.
आप दोनों का फेवरेट सीन कौन सा है?
इसका जवाब कहाँ से दे?
कोई टफ सीन जो आप लोगों का बहुत टफ है?
I think. What is your
There's actually one
favorite
scene जो मेरा खुद का भी scene नहीं है, but I love that scene. But I don't know if I can talk about it because it's a very important part of the show. एक नसीर सर का सीन है. इनफैक्ट मुझे वो सीन इतना पसंद आया कि मैं जब भी देख रही थी शो पहली बार 4 अगस्त को जब रिलीज हुई, तो मैंने वो सीन रिवाइंड किया और दोबारा देखा because I thought he was so brilliant in that scene. If to give a hint to anyone who's watched it, it's a scene जब पंडित जी राधे के कमरे में जाते हैं. I think 8th episode में, I'm not sure, जब राधे सो रहा है. तो मैं और नहीं बताऊंगी. 5th episode, right? Sorry. So that is my most favorite scene. Yeah.
My most favorite scene is when Arghya confronts his boss. for his friend.
Yeah.
That's the way Mr. Kunal Roy Kapoor has performed that. What a graph he's given to us.
एक मुझे भी बहुत अच्छा लगा था आपका वो मास्क मैन जो था. Oh God.
Oh, I love
That was
that.
nice.
I love it.
आजकल जो चल रहा है आजकल नेपोटिज्म फेवरेटिज्म चल रहा है आजकल. So what's your take on that?
What's your take on that, Ritvik?
Yeah.
मैं तो अभी आया हूँ. Very honestly, I'll tell you. I've read all the debates. I'm listening to everybody. It's not like I'm alien to this topic. मैं वाकिफ हूँ कि क्या हो रहा है, क्या बातें हो रही हैं. But मेरा टेक तभी आएगा जब मेरा खुद का एक ओपिनियन बनेगा, और वो तो तभी होगा अगर मैंने कुछ और साल काम कर लिया, अगर मैं इंडस्ट्री में एंटर करूँ, और जो अभी हुआ है. You know, I've just come here out. I'm showcasing my work finally after a couple of years of looking for work, and here I am. तो इस 2-3 साल बाद हम फिर से इंटरव्यू करेंगे, तो शायद मेरे पास एक strong opinion होगा that I can say कि no, this is how it worked out for me, it didn't work out for me. But hopefully 2-3 साल बाद ये topic ही ना रहे. So let's see, fingers crossed. But इस वक्त तो genuinely मेरे पास कोई opinion है ही नहीं. Do you have one?
Yeah, favoritism तो होता है, बहुत है. बंदिश बैंडिट्स पे भी था. I was everybody's favorite. No, but on a serious note,
Please.
no, but it's true.
Oh, please.
It's true. Ask anybody.
Fine,
But in
man.
general,
Now I have an opinion.
huh? What did you
So now I have an opinion.
No, but on a serious note, genuinely, of course, बहुत बातें हो रही हैं, and rightfully so, if they can do it. So for us, I think that is really important, and I think right now, just don't make any excuses अपने दिमाग में कि इस वजह से इसकी वजह से मुझे काम नहीं मिल रहा. अगर काम नहीं मिल रहा, then just work on yourself harder. Maybe it's the wrong time, maybe वो उस दिन कुछ गलत हो गया. So for me, I really believe कि ये जो शो है मुझे इसलिए मिली क्योंकि वो हर एक ऑडिशन जो मैंने दी, I gave my 100%. I gave my best. I was my best at that day. And you can only hope कि आप अपने हर ऑडिशन में अपना बेस्ट दे. So just keep moving forward with that. And of course, be aware कि क्या हो रहा है. But I think just have your blinders on, and that can really help. And I think right now, instead of discussing कि क्या गलत है, क्या सही है, you need to find a solution to this instead of just saying कि अच्छा ये problem है. Let's move forward, find solutions to things, and I think it'll be a happy place then.
Cool. So thank you guys, thank you so much, and wish you
Thank you for having us.
for the future and for more success of this series.
Thank you.
So great talking to you.
It was
Thank you so much,
fantastic.
Nikhil.
Thank you so much.
Before we go, let's take a digital selfie.
Yes,
Okay.
let's do
A
it.
digital selfie. Thank you guys, thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, thank you so much for having us. Thank you.
Bye bye. Take care.
Bye.